All right, WMC, this is the video to find our winner of break number 8, which is one of the NBA Fast Break card boxes. So we'll check the time, November 14th at 6:11 p.m. We're going to go over to what we'll call the raffle and type live. And we have November 14th at 6:11 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Wade in spot number 7 is our winner. So, Wade, you have whatever we pull out of box number 8 tonight. Now, it is your choice. I can send it to you sealed, or we can open it tonight. That is up to you. So there is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, November 14th, 6:12 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.